Hello guys, this is MinhyeokChoi3rdL4 third grade lesson 4. Let's get started. Find the sum. Number 1 through 6, we're just adding digits. 7 plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 9 is 13. Bring the 1 up. 3 plus 1 would be 4. 9 plus 9 is 18. 8, 9, and 10, that would be 10. So bring that up. So 1 plus 9 is 10, and 10 plus 4 is 14. We have the dot, the decimal. Just bring the decimal straight down. And 5 plus 0 is 5. 8 plus 3 is 11. Bring the 1 up. 5 plus 5 is 10. And plus 1 is B11. Number 4, we have 3 plus 1 is 4. 5. Bring the 1 up. That's 14. This would be 7, 5, and 10. This one, bring the 1 up from the 10, 6, and bring the 7 down. Write plus or minus to complete the number sentence. 61 blink 31 is 38. Okay, so from 69 we go to 38. If it's getting smaller from 69, we have to be subtracting. Same thing on here. 5,712, 5,743. 43 is greater, so the number is increasing or is getting bigger, so we're gonna have to add. Number 3, we go from 10 to something, and then we become 0. We are gonna have to subtract 10. 49, we go smaller, so this would become minus. Number 5, let's do the right side first. That becomes 242. And 329, it becomes 242. From 300 to 200, we would have to minus. 28 to 37, it goes greater, becomes greater. 17, this is just 27. From 74 to 27, we go down, or we get smaller. 34 to 10, we also get smaller, so that would be minus. Let's move on. Use rounding to estimate the sum. Okay, so number 1, we have 206 plus 668. Okay, see, if we round, this 6 would round up. So this would become 700, and this would stay at 200 because there is no rounding factors, so therefore it would round up to be about 900. This one, the 1 does not bring it up, and the 1 does not bring it up, so it's 700 and 200, which stays at 900. Okay, so before we move on, if any number is 5 or greater, it moves up. If it's 5 or less, it moves down. Or if it's 4 and less, it moves down. Sorry. So this 800, because it's 0, it would move down or stay the same. So that would be 800. And 79, 9 is above 5, so it would move up, which make it 80. So this would be 880. Number 4, 5 would move up, so this would become 600. And 3, it does not round up, so it would stay at 600, which gives us 1200. 4, it does not move up. 1 does not move up, so it just becomes 600 and 200, which adds up to 800. Okay, so 7 rounds up because it's more than 5, so this would become 5,000. And 8 would also round up, so this would become 1,000. 1,000 plus 5,000 would give us 6,000. Let's move on. Word problems. A library has 413 books. It receives a donation of 41 more books. How many books does the library have now? Okay, it receives a donation. If you receive something, then you get more. So this would be positive or plus. 413 plus 41. this would be 4, 5, and 4. 454 books. There are 256 people at a concert. Later, 132 more people arrive. How many people are at the concert now? Okay, so regularly from the start, there are 256 and more, 132 more people come. So it'd be addition, 6 plus 132, 8, 8, and 3. 388. A truck was carrying 789 boxes. After delivering some boxes, 415 boxes were left on the truck. How many boxes were delivered? Number sentence. Okay, so from 789, it goes down to 415. So we know that we're going to have to subtract some number, and that number is going to give us 415. So what we're going to do is 789 minus 415. That gives us 4, 7, and 3. 374. Number 4. A store has had 564 toys in stock. They sold 237 toys during a sale. How many toys are left in stock? If they sold it, that means they lost it. So that would be 564 minus 237. 7 is greater than 4, so we're going to borrow from the 6. So this becomes 14. And 14 minus 7, we get 7. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 2